It is integer data. So you forget this class. It is advanced class, objects, methods. That is, once you know the basics very well in Python, not only in Python, any C, any language, if you know. If you know this, see, this is what, which type of data it is? It is stating that this is the memory location. Within the memory location, this data is stored. That memory location name we have changed. We have kept a variable name for that memory location. What the variable name we have kept for that memory location, for this memory location? What the variable name?
We kept 1000.
1000 is a memory location. We assume.
But actually, it is real either.
Okay, so
we kept the name as ABC.
ABC. What the data we have stored?
ABC is called 26.
That is which type of data?
Integer.
Understood that? No.
See, for example, to find out it is integer or not, we kept print bracket type bracket ABC.
Okay. Now it is okay. Now come to the next data type. Next.
Country is called Japan.
Country is equal to Japan. You have stored.
Print bracket country, right?
Print bracket
country.
You call that country. Now you will, whether you will get what expected answer will be what?
Japan.
Okay. Are you getting Japan?
Yeah.
Okay. Now see. Now it is Japan. Now I want to know this Japan data string stored in which memory location?
Okay. Right. Print ID. Next, not there. Next. Print
bracket
ID. You write print bracket ID. Bracket. Bracket. Did they say country, right?
So what will be the expected answer here? You will get what?
Where it's a string. No, you will get its memory location.
So in how much of digits? A lengthy
digits.
A lengthy digit. See, this location and this location both are so different. It is started with 1-4 like. This memory location is somewhat started 23. Now Japan is a which type of data? Japan is what? Japan
actually is a string type of data.
Stored in where?
In this one, 2, 3, 3, 2.
This is the memory location. Now this memory location, you have every memory location must be named with a name. That what is the name you have? Country. That country.
Now, to find out that this is a string or not, back
this country is what?
Okay.
This country is what?
Actually, it's memory location. It's called. This is called variable.
Variables. Okay. Memory locations will be named called variables and store data. Now you want to know which type of data store is there in that country.
So print type and bracket. No, bracket. Bracket type. Bracket.
Okay.
Bracket. A country.
Now what will be the expected answer? What will be the answer now?
String.
Where is the string?
str.
str means string. What about that class? But you don't know. I will explain.
Actually, it's not already. See, the one who creates the programming, they write some codes which nobody can change. It is just part of their body language. You need to learn it. No. Abhi, let's just say fish. Fish आके सांस कैसे रहते हैं gills से. Now उसके पास lungs के you can't say. It's a creation. So if you become a fish, you know it. So for like that, in every program you cannot change the encrypted syntax. You cannot change. You say that I will change. No.
Called code blocks. Code blocks is an IDE which is used to write the code for C language. C or C++. It supports for both C and C++. For new project, you need to click C. You need to click on File, New. Okay, New Project. Here you need to choose this one, Console Application. Then here next. Here C or C++. It will support to write the code for C or
C++.
we write the code in
C.
Look,
See,
wait.
I've
C.
got-
We write the code in C. Next, we need to keep a project name. So you write simply, we are understanding what? Data types. Keep a project name.
That type.
We are understanding what? Data
Types.
types. Okay. Now next. Okay. The folder already I told it will go in C program. It is a folder of C drive. Okay. The project name data types. Next. A project the name already exists. So data types 1. Okay. Next. Already 100. Okay. Next. This compiler, that folder I told you that na compiler is what? It is a translator program. Python compiler is what?
Zoom kar file mein.
Python compiler is what? Interpreter. Here it is called compiler. Okay. You need to within this C list of compilers. So many compilers are here. This much. So we will choose this compiler. Always default. Finish. Now
Zoom kar file mein. Zoom.
open that project. That is in my disk. In where? What is in C program? Here what is the data types? Data types what? 100. Main file. This is the source file. Source file. Come here. Come forward. Come forward. One source file is created. This is the source file. Source file. This is what is this? Source file. C source file. You click on this. Now this is the C language syntax. Listen.
Remote. Zoom लेगा. Sorry.
The same thing we will write there. Here, see. Same data types I'm storing. First what? 1000 location. What? 1000 location. 1000 location. In that 1000 location, I want to store in C language. This is the C language. My dear translator program, I am storing 26. That is the integer data type and storing in this variable. Now, please print, but it will not print. It will, here we need to say compiler, one format specifier we need to use. The syntax is what? Quotes, double quotes. Within this, percentage symbol. Okay? Understood that? Percentage symbol. This is which type of data?
See,
Which type of data it is?
I only
చెప్తాను. Which type of data it is?
integer.
So int method, first what is the first character? Int I. You keep either I, otherwise D. You keep a I or D. So this is what, then after comma. And what do you mean of this? In this variable, ABC variable, whatever the data is stored, that is what? Which type of data it is? Integer type of. So that's why I kept I. So I am helping the compiler, my dear compiler, within this ABC variable, data stored is integer type of. So that this part is called in programming in C called up to here double quotation and this percentage symbol I, format specifiers. Format specifiers will be used to explain that, say the compiler, which type of data is stored in this variable. Now you will get what? If you run this code, you will get the answer. What is the error here? Here, see, why? Because here you need to terminate. Terminate with what? Semicolon. Every line must be terminated. Now run this code, build and run. What is the answer you are getting?
26.
So 26 is a data type. Which type of data it is?
Integer.
That is stored in where?
ABC.
ABC is a
Memory location.
memory location but named as
ABC.
ABC is a number